Okay, guys, so we're gonna have a good time today. Um, okay, so what should my YouTube name be? Should it be the sniper because well, I have my prized possession. This thing right here, my rifle. My rifle. Is it the Alpha Hawk? It doesn't have attachments right now because I'm not doing a Nerf war. But this thing is cool. It's a pullback. Let me show you. See that? See that? And we got this. See this? See this? Yeah. See that? Okay, so I think this should be a new intro, okay, guys? An intro. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Hope you have a wonderful time. And remember, be the hunter, not the hunted.